Welcome back to Ballroom Feed. My name is Chris, and today we're going to do a really quick introduction to body weight in terms of how I feel my body weight in my feet. All right, so there's 3 different options where I can be. So no matter how I'm standing with my feet here, you can see from the side that I can send my weight forward. We call this forward weighted. I can send my weight back and be back weighted, or I could be in the middle of my feet. So there's these 3 tiers of where I could be, and you can literally see my spine or my shoulders move as I send myself forward weighted to the middle of my feet, or be in my heels and be back weighted. So how I test where I am in my feet, right? If I'm not that sensitive in my feet, I can do this. I can go forward into the balls of my feet, and I can click my heels on the floor, demonstrating that I don't really need them to stand on, right? I can do the opposite. I can go back on my heels, so I can click the balls of my feet on the floor, meaning I'm back weighted. Or I could be equally in between both and be in the middle of my feet. Quick examples for where or which styles I would use each of these things. When I'm dancing rhythm or Latin, I'm generally, pretty much all the time, forward weighted. If I dance cha-cha, if I dance rumba, I'm in the balls of my feet the entire time. Basically, anytime I finish a step, I could always click that heel that I'm standing on, making sure I'm forward weighted the whole time, right? If I'm dancing a club dance like salsa, bachata, I'm actually in the middle of my feet. So as I do a basic in bachata and move back and forth, you can see I'm much more grounded in the middle instead of being too forward weighted or being too back weighted as I would do that. An example of being back weighted is if I do maybe a little West Coast swing, or go take a step forward and smooth, where I'd want to go be more towards my heels so I have the whole foot to roll through and be able to take a bigger step. The most common one we use is being forward weighted, because we use it almost all the time in rhythm, and we do use it a lot in smooth too, especially as the person who prepares to go take a step backwards. So that's the most important one you want to be the most sensitive with. If you do a lot of club style dances, then being in the middle of your feet is great. But in general, you want to feel and start to get more sensitive and build awareness of where you are in your feet in terms of body weight. And in more advanced videos, we'll talk about how that relates to connection to actually with your partner. If you have any questions, please comment on this video down below. If you learned anything in this video, please like the video and subscribe so you see more of our content. It really helps out the channel. If you want to see hundreds of more videos on ballroomfeed.com, so you can check that out. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.